resource person for the day. Our resource person is, of course, well-versed and who will discuss the history and culture of Victoria City, which is, of course, the past of Victoria City, wherein you will know the legend of Victoria's, history of Victoria's, folkways of Victoria's, and historical structure, sites, and of course, the town executive. So I would like to give you the floor. Let us all welcome our SP Committee Chair on Environment, Honorable Dino Acuña.
So these are the students from the Negros Occidental National Science High School. Right? Okay. So please bear with me. Kabalamudasin ka mo mag-pick up, but I hope that you will take this as an opportunity to learn about the story of us. Okay? And also I hope that you will find it interesting and significant. No? Well, to begin with, I'd like to say that I am not I don't consider myself an expert in history, but only a lover and a protector of the history of Victoria's. It has become a passion to learn and study what had happened in the, now we know what we know as the city of Victoria. So I think it's important that you should also know about the story of your own city. Okay. You know, to many, ang history is kind of boring, no? Maybe to some of you, it doesn't catch your interest because, you know, the hassle of memorizing the dates, the places, the hard to pronounce names, no? So, to many, history is boring. But I think, you know, in the Filipino context, history means kasaysayan. And when you say of kasaysayan, no, ang root word niya is saysay, which means meaningful stories, which means it's the story of our place, of our country, it's the story of our people, it's the story of the heroism of our ancestors, and it tells us about how great our city is. Let me go back a little bit, no? Sa Negros, okay? History of the Filipino race traces back, you know, to the people of the Pacific. When you say people of the Pacific, they are the Polynesians, the Micronesians, and the Melanesians. These are the people and residents who live along the rim of the Pacific Ocean, in the islands of the Pacific Oceans, like what we now know as Guam, as Hawaii, as New Zealand, as Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands. These are all located in the Pacific Ocean, along the Pacific Ocean. And so these people are travelers and navigators. And so they were very expert in navigation, that they did not have to apply modern technologies in order to reach other countries and other nations.